So I'm going to talk about the third industrial revolution. So as we all know that the first industrial revolution began in Britain in late 18th century, and it's basically introduced the textile industry. And in the second industrial revolution, which came in early 20th century, it introduced the mass production. So basically, the first two industrial revolution made people richer and made places more urban. And now a third industrial revolution is underway. And this time the manufacturing is going technological. So what drew me to this topic? Nowadays the technology has undeniably become an essential part of our lives. I mean, we use laptops during school, and then I never left my smartphone, and then I keep it everywhere where I go. And I cannot imagine, I guess most of you cannot imagine the world without internet. So technology has changed our life like significantly. So I started to wonder, how did the technology change our life? And then when I did the research, I found the third revolution, which is my topic. So what I hope to find out, first I want to find out the impacts that this third industrial revolution have on people's daily life and on the society. And I would like to compare the third industrial revolution with earlier industrial revolutions and compare like what did we improve. Like for the first two industrial revolutions, there were pollution issues, and did they improve that? And did they make the productions more efficient? So what I have found so far, so there are basically three steps. I'm gonna write my research paper. First is the renewable energy, which include wind and solar energies. It's like the photo there. And then currently 27% of electricity power in Germany comes from solar and wind renewable energies, and their goal is to increase the percentage to 23% in 2020. Also, the 3D printer led us to three-dimensional designs, and we can basically print everything out of the 3D printer, and I'm going to talk about that later more specifically. And then last but not least is the big data, or you can call that the Internet of Things. Now there are around 14 billion sensors attached to industrial production. Like every step, like you can turn on your light with your smartphone. Basically contributes, like that's what big data help you to do. And then it can speed efficiency, it can increase the productivity and lower the marginal cost of producing. So basically, it also protect the environment by becoming more efficient during production. So the 3D printing. Basically now with the 3D printing technology, and anyone can potentially be their own manufacturer. So basically you can print everything, like everything you can name, by 3D printer. You can print jewelries, you can print robotic hands, or like even organs, and you can helmets, and then that is the shoes that is printed by 3D printer. And it also can print medical implants and batteries. So with the 3D printing processes, it only use 10% of raw material that use it in traditional manufacturing, and it use less energies than the conventional factory production. It greatly reduced the cost. So, and most importantly, the energy is saved, which produce less pollution. and um, and and the 3D printing led to a significant increase in energy efficiency beyond anything imaginable in first and second industrial revolutions. So my working thesis is as technologies played an important role in our lives, high technology and developments like renewable energy, 3D printing, and big data changed our lives in the 21st century significantly, which led to a third industrial revolution.